What's up, Jared Tones? I hope y'all are well out there. I am Jaren, back with another vocal analysis, vocal breakdown, whatever you want to call it. I am back with another one of those. She's amazing on this channel. I talk about her a whole lot. So why should we fix what ain't broken? Because she's amazing. We love her here. So y'all, let's get into it. Let's do it.
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name.
I put your picture on my mirror. These consonants are very productive. I put your picture on my mirror. Your name. See what I'm saying? So it's kind of like choppy, if you will. I wouldn't call it staccato, or maybe staccato, but very choppy. I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody said your name. So all of these consonants have a lot of quick friction in them.
In my stomach there's a pain, so you walk in my direction and go. I stop to stutter when I speak. Trust to stand when my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means?
I love seeing her evolution as an artist and as a singer. You can just see how she is molding and changing as time goes. Not saying what she was doing before was bad or worse or smaller. It's just you can tell she's changing and being different as an artist now. As you grow and experience life and age and things like that, your viewpoint and your delivery of your art form changes, you know? And so that's what's happening here. I can see it a little bit. It's nice though. I like it.
I lay my head on my pillow. Got me staring out the window. Wish on the starboard side. See what's the reason why?
Reason why. She played with that Y sound. Reason why. So the tongue went up and down a little bit. Reason why. Okay, and she had little H stops in there. Reason why. Had a little H stop right there towards the end too. Yeah, how the vibrato kind of sat on that yeah. I love it. And that yeah kind of had a slight nasality towards the end. Yeah. As she kind of migrated to the diphthong right there. I love it, yeah. And the I love it's were a little bit more quicker too. I love it. Almost like they cut off a little bit. I love it, yeah. But instead of the T on I love it, it was I love it, yeah. Kind of like that. So you took the T off of I love it, and kind of had a more of a stop sound or like an offset. I love it, yeah. Because the T was taken off all the way, it kind of had a more of a stop sound to it. You see her body? She's here. She is engaged, but it's aligned, it's upright. And she's not reaching up and doing all this kind of stuff. She's kind of keeping everything aligned. And really staying in that physical pocket, so to speak, you know? She had a little like air pressure grid. You hear it's kind of like a little added air pressure in there, so it kind of gives that gritty or like a more of a textured sound, if you will.
Let's take it back 20 years ago. 20 yeyears ago.
Them backup singers was yeah, how they play with each other right there. Woo! Yeah, y'all.
Want me, then don't talk to me.
Talk to me. You want me, then don't talk to me. Everything's kind of more spread and more twangy. Yeah. Want me, then don't talk to me. Yeah.
You can go ahead and free yourself. Baby, if you don't.
you don't. So that don't have vibrato. If you don't, if you don't, if you don't, if you don't. So she repeated that phrase, if you don't, and a vibrato at the end of the don't. If you don't, if you don't, if you don't, if you don't. That was nice.
You can go ahead to someone else. I want to bring a choir out on this one.
I love how she walks up when she does a that kind of stuff. When she kind of walks up like that, I love how she kind of hits with the body. So when you see those more melismatic runs that you hear her doing and stuff like that, kind of like the more arpeggiated and kind of ascending runs, it's more so in the body. So the breathing muscles are more activated, if you will, in that way. So you kind of hit the runs, hit the notes from activating and reactivating, repeating the activation in the breathing muscles. Yeah, you kind of see her doing that when she does those ascending runs and stuff like that. I love it.
Have you ever needed someone so bad, but they ain't willing to make it last? Sometimes
Take your time, girl. Take your time. Shoot. I mean, to fit 3 good songs into like a short 3-minute medley is nice. And they're moving through it so nicely too. They're just moving through it very seamlessly. I love that.
you gotta lose, but you will win again. And if it makes you cry, 'cause all you do is fight.
It's like a worship song a little bit, don't it? It's like a little worship song. And the little sway with the background singers and stuff like that. Yeah, it's like a little worship service like she at church. Well, duh. This is Fantasia. We don't go to church no matter what she do. It's a church element in everything that she does, which is what I love. You know I love that stuff.
You can't get no sleep at night, but you will win again. You win again. We win again.
She's almost being emphatic like a preacher. You will win again, win again, win again. So she's almost having that emphasis and that charisma like a preacher would in their message.
Everybody in this room tonight, we win again.
She's adding that grit. We win again. Added that air pressure grit, that air pressure texture that I'm talking about. She's adding it in right here. If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next so you know when the next video is posted. And give this a thumbs up if you can to get it out to more people. And as I will always continue to say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon.